Hi, I'm Ola Dajani. Canvas magazine asked me which artwork I would steal from the Dubai Art Fair. And this is the work that I have chosen, Broken Weddings by Aimer Shomeli. The reason I chose this is, first, I was attracted to its technique and its vibrant colors. But when I learned the backstory from the artist himself, it really touched me. And as a collector, this is what I look for in an artwork. This is the piece that I would steal from the Piaget Sunlight Journey collection, the Besatza Verde necklace. It evokes old world glamour. I like the pharaonic feel to it and the beautiful colors that are reminiscent for me for the Mediterranean and the island of Capri and the amazing mosaics that are found there.